Species Perfumes Women's for the Bride Perfumes the Vase and Moment Link and Splendor Gasp Happy that you witness a day wedding. Come importance to choose Perfume Women's for the Bride ideal to be completed her look and it shows brilliantly a suit. That to choose perfume represent part essential from memory emotional for this today private, where add touch Farida no forget tonight experience wedding. Better perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia Perfume the Bride. Perfume female for the bride, the most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia? The most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia? Let's for the bride today the opportunity to pick from between variety huge from Perfume's Women's Miscellaneous, where accelerates her heart to discover odor that reflect her beauty, and she continues her femininity in this is amazing the moment unique. It varies smells from the flowers kind to perfumes luxury sensual. Then let's for the bride the choice according to taste it personal, and her mood in this today private. Better Perfumes Women's Idealism for the Bride, that fragrant by gravity and elegance, simulated accurately moments, joy and beauty in day wedding. The most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia. Perfumes for the bride in day wedding, come gasp private that worth it excellence and attention in to choose all detail, starting from dress wedding until to choose perfume the bride that complete view the bride. He adds touch from magic and luxury. Different preferences brides in to choose perfumes, but there's some species that you enjoy popularly especially in this is amazing occasion private. The most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia Perfume Light Girls Perfumes Base. It is considered perfume syphilis an option great for the bride, where characterized with whiffs the flowers kind and feminine like roses, jasmine, and vanilla. Granted this type from Perfumes feeling with purity and gravity. Perfumes Eastern is characterized by Perfumes Eastern with its smell rich and luxury, where complete to merge whiffs amber and incense and vanilla. Granted Perfumes Eastern the bride views stylish and bold. Better perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia Perfume the Bride Perfumes Wouldn't the most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia? The most beautiful perfume female for the bride in Saudi Arabia?